So we're done cleaning. We move product over here. And what are we doing here?
So you can see the casting, how nice and clean it looks. Now here we're going to do cylinder machining. So the cylinders are out of specification, so we're going to open them up and put sleeves in to bring it back to standard. So it will run at, you know, the optimal efficiency. So we're kind of, like I said, giving the castings new life again.
So we're doing cleaning, milling, new sleeves, new valves, new pistons, everything.
All that stuff is going to be like a new machine by the time it's done, as you'll see as we go through.
Again, not really a process that most guys who do this, who work on these, get to see.
No, they don't get to see this. They just get the compressor.
Drop off the compressor and somebody else does it.
Yeah, they don't get to see all that work that goes into it.
Yeah.
So,
This is cool, man. I like this.
Absolutely. Thank you.